Pick one myself, man.
You should. Which one do you want? You want a purple one or you want a blue one?
Alright, listen. Do you guys choose them?
I want a purple one. Thank you.
That's fine. You and I get the same. Yeah, I like doing it. I like fluid.
Alright, so I'm gonna do a few with this, and then I'm gonna do a few with the 50, and then if we can, I'm going to do a few with the flash on.
Are you bringing another girl over?
Yeah, so until we get it.
I'll just take.
Oh yeah, go for it.
Yeah.
Until we get, or Kirsten, you come in there.
What do I do? Choose up?
What do I do?
Yeah, I'm gonna take mine off.
Before we do that.
Lip gloss on here.
Oh, that purple one is strong. You know he likes that 2.8, baby. Huh? I know he likes the 2.8.
Yeah. I know that Ryan.
I don't know where everything.
I'm good. Vegas doesn't have to deal with him anymore. Greg, you want to hum in here with the tall girl?
He could be like handing us the jello shot.
Yeah.
Aaron, what if he's like handing the jello shot?
Ring off or?
I'll pull up the 50. Hold on.
Thank you.
Wait, where are they?
Right there.
Oh,
Sorry, I should have specified.
you're good.
Okay, think of
Oh, hold on.
each other.
Oh, shoot.
Can you grab one?
Lauren.
Getting this one. Yeah.
How many do we want?
3, 4.
Yeah.
Like, should we be choosing?
Sure.
To open this? I don't have one.
Is there one that's more frozen? Yeah. I'll take it.
Yeah.
No, this is perfect.
One more?
Great.
Huh? Oh.
Really? Oh, of course.
He's like, no, don't do that.
Do we cheers?
Oh, good.
Mine's not open. Hold on.
Cheers. Girl, you
Do you want me to get it like fake? Andre, should I get it like fake ripping it off?
Yeah, sure. Oh, you got the yellow,
All yellow.
Matching.
This one
Tell me
is
when you're ready.
like in there, girl.
That's the hardest part, honestly.
Here, I'll let you try.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, cool.
Should we take this?
I was thinking leave them on because it's like if you can get the name in it.
Yeah.
Alright, who's ready? Cheers.
Ready? 1, 2.
To Shottys!
Hey.
I need to go get
I'm excited.
I'm literally just gonna go. Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna run in there.
Okay. Where the shotties at, man? Y'all supposed to be getting lit right now. What shotty? What shotty?
Alright, I'll grab it.
Yeah, we need some shotties. Oh, how about you? What are you grabbing? Just grab one of the random
I'm gonna grab
watermelon.
just so too.
Just hold that shit.
Yeah. I'll hold the watermelon.
Yeah, random watermelon.
These need to go.
35, dude. This sun transformation is like making it like
The clouds are coming in and out.
I'm like,
I'm like, yo, he's got sunny, got dark, got sunny, got dark, and it's causing.
The first time I ever would do a photo shoot,
Yeah.
it was like a day like this, and I had a reflector, so I had to keep going back and forth with the reflector or wait till the sun came out and then use the reflector. It was
Really warm, but also.
Aaron, you need to get in.
Yeah, Aaron, you're
yeah, Aaron, get in there with the watermelon, like, hey,
Yeah, he's the watermelon.
oh, this big ass watermelon.
Hey, so what are you guys doing over there? Huh? Yelling shells, turn around.
Yeah.
Ooh, 800 ISO, you're nuts, boy.
We have like volleyballs and stuff.
Yeah.
Do I have to take a shot? No, we brought like volleyball.
We get a few long boys. Jeez, this fucking heat going crazy, bro.
Like 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Hey, Aaron, if we're bathroom inside.
Around the corner, to the left, the bedroom is the bathroom. Lauren, you're not going to want to leave. It's like 60 in there. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, so if you go to the right of this grill, and then through the plants and through the doors to your left. All right, let's move everything if you guys are cool with it.
And you got socks.
And we're going to go this way.
Jesus, I'm like sweating, dude. The salt water was getting in my eyes. Well, this is gonna be great footage right here. This is good YouTube right here.
24 minutes already.
It's gonna be a good, 24 minutes. Oh, you can see it?
Yeah.
This is a good YouTube right here. I only got one battery. I'm fucking tripping. I need to plug this one.
How many batteries you got?
I have 2.
Half battery.
Dude, they don't last very long at
They
all.
don't. No, they don't.
Like, I'm shooting POV stuff. Oh, damn, dude.
Remember making me some.
Start doing that.